Hello students of Standard 3rd. Let's begin an online session of social science. Myself, Miss Priyanka Malute. Today's topic is very interesting for you. Yes, it is variety of foods in India. Students, you know Indian food? Yes, this is something different. Why? Because India having a great variety of food items. See, oh, because available in different parts of India, different parts of different states of having different dishes. Each area have its own specialty, and a visit to that place is incomplete without tasting it. Can anyone visit Kolkata and not get Rasgulla and Mishti Dohi? Oh, missed out then, very. And go to Nagpur and not taste his own papdi. Again, you missed out the Nagpur. Means there are some dishes that are cooked only on special occasion like festival, marriage, or birth of a child. Modak is made during the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. No marriage ceremony is incomplete without laddu and burfi. In North India, the mother of a newborn baby is fed panjiri. It means wheat or green gram flour made this panjiri with the dry fruits also. So we have a variety of food. And today I have also a list of variety of food. Let's see now. You know, these important factors of food habits. Yes, students, India have a different variety of foods because the climate is very important factor and the crops grown. The people living in a desert of Rajasthan and Gujarat find out difficult to get fresh vegetable in the heat and rains. Use a great variety of dals, achar and besan. The people living close to the sea coast, so an area, sea coast is means area where the land meets the sea. Eats a lot of fish and coconut, and Kashmiris drink a lot of keva to keep the cold away. The people of Punjab grow a lot of wheat and hams. Their staple diet is chapatis. Rice grows well in South India, so it forms the staple diet of South Indians. It means the food habits of the people depend upon the two factors. First, climate and the crops grown. Students, now see very interesting things today. We are going the list of mouth-watering dishes from different parts of India is endless. See now. Yes. First, dal bhatti churma is from Rajasthan. Different states we have different dishes, different speciality of the dishes. So Rajasthan is famous for the dal bhati churma. Punjab is famous for makke ki roti and sarson da saag. Dosa sambar is from Tamil Nadu and Khandvi is from the Gujarat. Students, you know these all dishes is specialty for these states. So nowadays it is not important. The Punjab peoples eat only the makki ki roti and sarson da saag because people are moving from one state to another state for living, business and education. So let's see the another dishes also. Fish and rice. It is, yes, from West Bengal. Puran Poli, made from Maharashtra. You know, we all also live in Maharashtra, and this is made in Holi and very important festivals like Diwali and different festivals. Bajra Khichdi from Haryana and Gostaba from Kashmir. So variety of different dishes. It is variety of and speciality of the different states of the India. Students, nowadays the food habits and the taste of people are changing. Punjabi families may enjoy dosa and South Indian families may love eating stuffed paratha. It means many people even move from one country to another country also, one state to another state also. So they enjoy the dishes of the places where they live as well as their own traditional dishes. So we also enjoy the variety of dishes. We are also eating the bajra khichdi as like the fish and rice and as like puran puli. Understand? Yes. So now it's the very important and sweet dish is the assignment. So solve this question. Why are the food habits of people changing? Second, write two factors that influence the food habits of people and write the food items according to the following states. You know very well. Okay. Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Punjab, Kashmir, West Bengal, and Gujarat. Thank you, students, and have a nice day. And you also enjoy the variety of dishes in your home. Thank you.